In this video, we discuss the latest leak about the upcoming Google Pixel tablet, which is expected to launch later this month at Google I/O 2023. The leak, shared by tipster Evan Blass, shows the front design of the tablet, which has slightly thick bezels around the display. The tablet is rumored to launch in 4 colors and will have an aluminum body made of recycled materials with a nanoceramic finish akin to porcelain. It can be magnetically attached to a speaker dock and used as a home device. The Pixel tablet is expected to feature the company's Tensor G2 SoC under the hood and a 10.95-inch display with a 1600x 2560 pixel resolution. The tablet will likely feature an 8MP front camera and an 8MP rear camera. The base 128GB variant of the Pixel Tab will reportedly be priced between €600 to €650, roughly 54,100 rupees to 58,600 rupees. Stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Google Pixel tablet.